What do the various dashboard warning and indicator lights in the 2023 Chevrolet Trailblazer represent, and how can they help drivers identify potential issues? Can you explain the meaning behind common lights like the check engine light, tire pressure warning, and battery alert? What steps should be taken when these lights appear while driving?
Instrument cluster, cluster indicators,
Airbag readiness light, driver seat belt, reminder light, passenger airbag status indicator, anti-lock brake system warning light, brake system warning light, electric parking brake light, vehicle ahead indicator, charging system warning light, malfunction indicator lamp, lane keep assist, LKA, light, engine oil pressure, light, tire pressure, light, StabiliTrak, off light, traction control system, security light, cruise control light, high beam on light, low fuel level, warning light, door ajar light, adaptive cruise control light, lamps on reminder, front passenger seat belt, reminder light, IntelliBeam light, front fog lamp light, pedestrian ahead indicator, service electric parking brake light, traction off light, all-wheel drive light, sport mode light.
Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.